Hello Wobblies, welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, and in this episode we are taking a look at the campfire stand with the swinging grate by Bruntmor. This episode is made possible by generous supporters on Patreon. A special thanks to Ray and Amy Galinas for being a patron since 2019. We'll put links to all the products in this video down in the description. The entire set with the bag weighs 25.4 pounds. The campfire stand comes with a zippered bag. The bag is 36 inches long by 11.5 inches high by 4 inches wide. The swinging grill measures 16 by 11 inches and comes with 2 links of chain attached that are each 20 inches long. Two sets of the tools and hooks are included. There are 2 Dutch oven lid lifters and 2 of another tool that looks like it would work well for moving the grill. 5 different length hooks are included. They are 4¼ inches long, 6, 10, 13.5, and 18 inches long respectively. There are 4 sets of the smallest hooks, which work best for suspending the swinging grill grate, and there are 2 each of the other 4 hooks. The stand and all of its parts are made of solid steel. Stand setup is super simple. The stand is 34 inches long and 34 inches high. The chains on the swinging grate make it easy to adjust its height. We're hanging both a 12-inch and an 8-inch Dutch oven from the stand to see how sturdy it is and give an idea of its size. The stand didn't waver. Overall, I really like the campfire cooking stand. At first, I wasn't sure how well I would like the swinging grate, how well it would work, but it does a good job. I like how easy it is to adjust the chains to adjust the height of the grill grate. And as long as you're careful when you adjust the chains, you probably won't drop supper in the fire. We tried it first with cooking in a pan that rested on the grate, and then again with steaks directly on the grate itself. The first time we did that, we wanted to kind of burn off any residue or anything that might be on the grate, so that's why we used the pan the first time. And it worked really well both ways. The edges or the lip around the grate really help keep things from sliding off, especially with the pan because the pan is relatively slick. And so the edge around the grate really does help. And it's also really nice that you can slide the grate down out of the way. That makes it easy to tend to the fire, and then you can slide the grate back over. Or if for some reason you just wanted to pull the grate off the fire, it makes it super easy and convenient to do. I really like too that they provide an extra set of hooks and tools. I just think that is a super good thing to do. It's kind of like you not getting enough screws when you purchase a piece of furniture to put together. It's nice to have the extra set just in case. We'll put links to all the products we used in this video down in the description, and let us know in the comments what you think. What is your favorite way to cook over a campfire? We know from previous comments that Philip I likes to cook over a Camp Chef Mountain Man grill. Thanks for watching, Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time.